Facebook, YouTube, right here, 𝐬𝐝 Cleaning. Guys, we're in Waterloo, Illinois today, doing a tile and grout cleaning and sealing. They're getting ready for the Christmas, and saw reviews, testimonials, booked on the spot, and love supporting local. But let me show you what we're doing. Little chilly out there. So we're doing this little foyer here. We're doing this little small bathroom. You can just see the grout is, you know, soiled, typical. Typically happens when it's not sealed. We'll probably do maybe right in here a little bit. Right through here. You see right here, I'll zoom in for you. See that? That's because that's soiled, right? Your grout's porous, as you guys know in other videos, and it basically just absorbs all that because it's not sealed, and then it's recommended to get cleaned every couple years and sealed. Typically, see how the edge is white? That's how it's supposed to look. Then you can just see how it's just dark. Yep, mopping won't take care of that, guys. You got to get it suspended. See that right here, right there. We're gonna get it back to original condition, and then we're gonna seal it, and another happy client. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're putting our pre-treatment down. You'll just see that soil kind of break up. Let me show you. As I put this down, look at that, guys. Already starting to break up a little bit. It's power chemistry. Let this dwell. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the product down. Now we're gonna let that dwell for a good 10-15 minutes. We're gonna agitate these grout joints to break up that soil load, and then we'll start to neutralize it and extract with our tile spinner at 1,000 pounds of pressure at 230 degrees, melted like butter. Now this client did say that it's been a few years, but she had another company out of the St. Louis area, and she wanted somebody local, so she hired us. And she's excited. If you have this kind of grout, give us a call. We got you covered. Stay tuned. Hey, yo, let's go. 𝐬𝐝_Cleaning.com. You can just see that difference, guys. Wow. You need a service? 𝐬𝐝_Cleaning.com. We can restore your tile and grout. Ceramic, porcelain, got you covered. Beautiful. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to seal. Look how great these floors turned out. As you guys can see, it's back to the original state. It's white again, hygienic and clean. Look at that, guys. See that? How it's white again? All uniform. Look at that. All right, another job well done. Client loves it. We're gonna seal it with our impregnated sealer, and all is well. Just in time for the holidays. Nice. All right, have a good one.